In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office on Slack superfast. We're keeping this quick and simple, so you can step away with confidence and let your team know what's up. Start on the home view in Slack. This is the main screen where your channels and direct messages live. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you use more than one, and that Slack is open on your desktop or in your browser. Next, look to the bottom left corner of Slack and click your profile. It's the small avatar with your name. This opens a compact menu that gives you access to your availability and status. From here, choose Update Your Status. That brings up the status window, the exact spot where Slack displays what your teammates will see next to your name. This is where an out-of-office note typically lives, and it's the quickest way to broadcast your availability across channels and DMs without sending separate messages. Inside the status window, you may notice an emoji attached to your status. If you don't want an icon showing, or if there's an old emoji lingering from a previous status, click the minus icon to remove it. Clearing the emoji keeps your status clean and professional and helps avoid any mixed signals from leftover icons. It's a small step that ensures what people notice first is the message itself. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save. Your change takes effect immediately. Anyone who opens your profile or hovers over your name in conversations will see your updated status, and it will appear right beside your name across Slack. This is the fastest way to make sure your team understands you're out without having to post in every channel. A few quick tips to make this work even harder for you. Many workspaces offer suggested statuses like out of office or on vacation in this same window, so you can reuse something that fits your situation in seconds. If you prefer an emoji, you can always add one back later to make your message stand out. Think a palm tree or a suitcase. Though keeping it minimal often reads more clearly. And if you need extra control, the status window also includes options to set how long the status should remain, which helps it clear automatically when you're back. That's it. Open the status panel from your profile, tidy it up with the minus icon if needed, and save. You're all set to step away while keeping your team informed, fast and hassle-free.